All right, so Aiden's back from doing his homework. He's got hybrid in the morning, so we're gonna continue working on this car. We're gonna go ahead and just completely disassemble it. Are you ready for this, bud?
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna be using this stuff right here. I was calling it BJ Blaster yesterday. Um, First language is Spanish, and sometimes I say some stuff that is not accurate, but it's PB Blaster. So, anyways, that's what I've been putting on a lot of these bolts on the engine, just to take things so they can come apart a lot easier. So we're gonna be putting them all over the fender bolts, and then start disassembling them. So that's it. All right, Aiden. Aiden already took out the radiator hoses. He's gonna go through and undo the rest of this radiator, and we'll get to it. All right, Aiden. So the plan for today, Aiden, we're gonna be taking off all the fenders, taking off all the glass from the car. So the whole glass is gonna come out.
Yeah, and then we're gonna sandblast it.
And then we're gonna get to sandblasting. Okay?
Yeah.
All right, so guess we'll just get to it, buddy.
Yep. And we'll.
All right. Put a little more of this sunburst. Little knocker looser. There. All right, get the screwdriver, start taking this hose out, okay? For the radiator.
Where did you guys? That one side off.
You got one side off?
Want me to get the other side off too?
Yeah.
Is the antifreeze all drained out now?
Yeah. For the most part.
Okay. Will some come out of this?
A little bit. You'll have some of it. It's not a big deal.
That one's tight. Can I saw that stuff on this one?
No.
This second one's hard.
Okay, then now I want to use the wrench.
I'm gonna try this one more time.
Okay.
Like this stuff.
Now you're pressing down and
Yeah.
turning at the same time. Okay.
That's what I.
You got to put some pressure on it.
Yep. I think I got it.
Got it?
Yeah. Yeah, this part is hard.
Yeah, we would normally take off the tires, put it on blocks, but all these tires have the lug nut bolts that are. It's basically a lock. We don't have the key to take them off. It's not a normal socket that'll take those off. So we're gonna just try to work around it.
But won't the sand pop the tires?
No, like the other option, we're gonna take them off eventually. We're gonna have to, but we're probably just gonna break them off, Aiden. This whole suspension is gonna get redone anyways. I tried to find a lock for it. I couldn't find anything like it. So. This is still good, huh? All right. Yeah, some of these are gonna be pretty hard. You have to. You know what we should have done? Brought the shop vac out here.
What?
Shop vacuum?
Oh yeah. That wasn't a great idea. Yeah, definitely look like you.
Alright, so the same thing. Remember what I was telling you?
Where did you leave the things?
Grab it, rotate it. Pull it. Rotating and pull it. Make sense? Let's see if you can do it. Rotate and pull, rotate and pull. You got this.
Okay. Yeah.
Let's see what the others do.
What's next, Dad?
We're gonna. The whole radiator needs to come out. So look around it, see what is it that's keeping it from coming out.
Okay. Angel and Noah are lucky they don't have school today. Angel and Noah are lucky they don't have school today.
Yeah. Celebrating the holiday today.
And tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
But at least my schoolwork is done now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. There's a.
Where?
These two bullshits.
Yeah.
They're holding it back.
Those are 9/16 or
9/16.
14. For American cars is always standard size, so you're using most of the time you're starting down with like 3/8, 7/16, half-inch 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, all the way up to 1 inch. Obviously, you go to bigger, but that's what you're looking. So that wrench right here, that's a 14 right there. This is a 14. You see it? It's a 14. This right here. It's a 916. You can get one side with this one and the other one with that one. Okay. You can also get the socket in it. It might be a lot easier. You see this right here? There, so that would hold it there.
Oh.
And that would hold it there. So let me show you. Just get the. Here, look. Get this guy. You got it?
Yeah, just
Right. And you can be on the back side. You can just hold it with the wrench. So it doesn't spin on you. Okay, perfect. And then these I had to screw in to begin with, so you're gonna have to screw it back out. So when you unscrew it back out, it'll start.
Just go in the bin.
Just put them in the. See in the back of the truck there. Just put it in that little like round area.
The bracket.
Yeah. All right. And then get this side over there. Here. And then on this side, Aiden,
Yep.
have the transmission lines. They got run through the radiator to cool the transmission fluid. Those have to come off the radiator as well. Okay. Look. See these right here? Look at this wrench. See how it's got a slot on there?
Yeah.
They're made specifically for hydraulic lines or hydraulic fluid, brake fluid, transmission fluid, fuel lines. These are specifically for that because it'll go into that and it'll grab the actual wrench that goes to it. Okay. Any questions?
Not at the moment.
I think that one you're gonna have to like screw out. Okay.
Yeah, I think so too. Put it.
What are you looking for? Hey, look.
Wrench.
Don't leave stuff on the ground. Okay, put it on the table. What kind of wrench is it?
It was the 14. Oh, yeah.